ASAP, revolutionizing traffic management with the autonomous Smart Action platform. As the city awakens, traffic flows smoothly. Vehicles glide through the streets, guided by the ASAP autonomous response system, ensuring efficiency and order. Green lights dominate the map, a symbol of harmony on the road. But in an instant, chaos disrupts the calm. A car crash ignites flames, and smoke fills the air. Our ASAP system springs into action, detecting the incident within seconds and pinpointing the exact location on the map. An alert is sent autonomously to the nearest police car, ambulance, and fire truck. Thanks to the system's precision, the responders know exactly where they need to go. To ensure emergency teams reach the scene as quickly as possible, the ASAP system evaluates real-time traffic conditions and adjusts the traffic lights accordingly. Green lights guide ambulances and fire trucks, clearing congested roads while minimizing disruption for other drivers. Every second counts, and the system makes them matter. At another intersection, a large influx of pedestrians kept rushing through the red light during peak hours. By understanding both pedestrian and vehicular traffic, the system can provide an appropriate balance between the two. Acting quickly, it allows longer green lights for the pedestrian, ensuring road safety without compromising traffic flow. In a central business district, traffic grinds to a halt. Cars are at a standstill, and frustration builds. But the system analyzes the congestion, adjusts longer green lights to alleviate the traffic jam. Vehicles flow freely again, restoring order and efficiency for drivers. The system uses cameras rather than induction loops as inputs for optimizing the traffic lights. The system is adaptable to different types of roads and traffic conditions. By understanding both pedestrian and vehicular traffic and by understanding the occurrence of disruptive traffic incidents, the system is better able to optimize traffic flows. With its dynamic traffic light intelligence software and lightweight IoT-based controller, along with its 300+ proven incidents detection capabilities, our system can transform how cities manage their traffic, particularly during emergencies. By detecting, predicting, and responding in real time, it ensures safer streets, smoother journeys, and a smarter future for everyone on the road. Wild Faces offers the most comprehensive traffic management application in the industry, including many capabilities that are patented and totally unique. Our low-resolution analytics capabilities can work with existing cameras, including PTZ cameras that can cover a far greater distances than other systems. Wild Faces' dynamic traffic light system is not just about technology, it is about building more efficient, better connected city for everyone.